Kim, and I am here for a new bag review. I've been in this Fjallraven TotePack No.1 for about a month now, and I really like it. So this brand, they're known for their backpack, that canvas backpack called the Konkin, I believe. This is their TotePack No.1, and it's made out of this coated canvas. It's like cotton poly canvas, and it's really heavy duty, but not too heavy. It makes it water resistant and super high quality and durable, which I really like. Let me show you the outside and some of the features of this bag, and then I'll show you a packing video as well as on the body so that you can see size reference. So first I'll show you the straps. They have this really awesome, super heavy duty grab handles. I believe they're made out of leather. They're a suede leather material, and they're super soft and comfortable and heavy duty, and these are great grab handles. They're a little bit tight to wear around the crook of your arm. They have super long tote straps, which I really like on a bag. I am 5'8", so when tote straps are short, it really bothers me, especially when a bag is longer like this. I think it's great to have longer tote straps as well. You can see there's just so many really great high quality details in this bag. There is a front zipper here, and it has a little leather detail and high quality metal zippers. And this is just a pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, all the way down. And in here I just have my wallet, which is a Jujube small set piece. And then this is kind of my catch-all. I have coupons and receipts kind of all get thrown in here throughout the day. Let's flip it around to the back. There are no pockets on the back, but my absolute favorite feature of this bag is that you can pull this strap and it turns into a backpack, and it fits me perfectly. If you're familiar with Jujube, this is similar to their Be Light, but it can convert into a backpack. It also, because of the canvas material, is a little more structured, which I prefer. So those are the features of the bag. Let me show you the inside. Right, so here is the top angle, opening it up. You can see it opens up quite wide for the size of the bag. And because of the canvas, it stays open nice and wide, which I appreciate. So in this back pocket, there's just a slip pocket. It's made out of the same canvas material. So in that back pocket, I have my planner. It's great to be able to keep it separate. And then I just have a Huggies white pouch there, just for easy access. The back here, there's a little flap that has their logo. It's kind of hard to see because it's all the same color, but there is a zipper underneath that flap, and it goes from here to here, so about 3/4 of the bag. And I just have some snacks back there. And those I kind of always just keep back there as just in case I forget, but this would be a good spot to keep like Band-Aids and other like med kit stuff. This would be a great spot for that, out of the reach of kids, because it has that flap. So it's not something if you want easy access to, but it is a really great pocket to have. And then there is a key leash here. It is just a piece of nylon material, and it is got a nice metal ring here. And then it's very long, which is great because then your keys can actually reach your door. There isn't any clasp of any sort, so you have to have a clasp on your keychain for it to connect. And then I have my water bottle for my girls and for myself. This is the Sip by Swell 15 ounce, and it fits really well. The 17 ounce one fits as well. I have a 12 little medium trio pouch, and there were snacks in here. Now there's just garbage. I have Logan and Lenora diaper clutch. In the front pocket here, I have a change pad by Jujube and a cloth diaper in the main part. This also serves as a wet bag, so when I only bring one cloth diaper, then I just put the dirty one in here and then wash the whole thing, which is really great. So you can see the bag does mostly stand up on its own. It does cave in a little bit, and this flap kind of falls into the middle, but you can still see everything really easily. It is a darker color, so sometimes that makes it hard, but I don't find this bag being a bottomless pit for me at all. I have a small piece by the 12 Little Trio pouch here. I just have hand sanitizer, tissue, sunscreen, and a chapstick. And at the very bottom is a Jujube medium set piece, and I have a pair of 4T pants and a 2T onesie. It is a good look, the inside of the bag, and I've just really been loving this. The backpack to tote feature without having to add any extra straps has been amazing. I absolutely love it. It is lightweight. I think it's just over a pound. So for being heavy duty, high quality canvas, I really am enjoying it. So let me show you what it looks like on me. I'll pack it all back up so you can see what it looks like on me fully packed.